Really can't tell what's going on, but I just parked now and starting the car again. It won't crank or start. See that? No crank at all. So I feel there are just two reasons why this won't start. Let's go check the battery head. And be sure the battery head is good. Let's be sure it's contacting well, because I really can't tell what exactly this is. This terminal is a little loose. This is nice and tight though. Make the terminal tighter. Okay, I think it's a little better now. By the way, this is Camry 2004. So let's go and check if this will work. Still won't start. Still won't start. So the next thing we'll check is to be sure if that battery has good life too. So one way to check that is we power our headlamp and go see if it's bright enough. Then we're sure. Okay. Yeah. Headlamp is not that bad. So try again. Still won't start. So the next thing to check is the kick. So I guess probably the kick has failed, and we might just need to heat it a bit. The kick is located just under the filter beside the battery. So you have to get this out of the way to see if it will work. And this is just a measure to try to put it back on, so at least it can take me to the mechanic workshop. Okay, let's try and hope it works. So start. So those are kind of the two things to check when your engine won't start. Yeah, so I guess we might need to be replacing the Kickstarter. So after everything, I discovered that it was the kick, as I said earlier. So I got a mechanic to help me confirm that. And so guys, as you can see, he's reinstalling the Kickstarter, and I hope this works. And also I hope this the tips I've shared in this video help somebody else, because I don't even know why I'm making this video, but I just feel somebody might be stranded somewhere in the middle of nowhere, and the tips I've shared in this video would actually help you just get an idea of what's going on. I'm trying to start the car now to see. Voila, Yeah. So after all, is the kick.